Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to see a new topic. Without further delay, we can step into today's topic, that is life history of Obelia. So when you see the Obelia colony, already we have seen the previous classes. Obelia, it's the typical example which we can see under phylum Coelenterata. So here we can see a peculiar life cycle it's having. Let's see what is it. Here we can see the mode of reproduction. In Obelia, we can see two types of reproduction, that is asexual as well as sexual reproduction. As you know, what is meant by asexual reproduction? That's by means of budding. So sexual reproduction, the male and female gamete, it will get fused together. So in this Obelia, here asexual reproduction as well as sexual reproduction we can see. So it's called as alternation of generation. Why it's called as alternation of generation? One time sexual reproduction means the next time it will go up with asexual reproduction and then sexual as it goes on. Okay, so here horizontal branches it will arise that by means of budding. So the colony, Obelia colony, it increases in size. So here we can see the blastostyle, that is sexual zooids, and then medusa, that is by means of budding. Medusa அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறது தான் வந்து asexual reproductionல பார்க்குறோம். Blastostyle சொல்கிறது sexual zooid that arise by means of sexual reproduction. அதனால தான் சொல்கிறோம் alteration of generation. ஒரு தடவை sexual reproduction நடக்குன்னா அதுக்கப்புறம் asexual reproduction நடக்குது. So the next we can see about locomotion. What is meant by locomotion? Movement from one place to another. So how does this Obelia move from one place to another? So Medusa swims freely. Manubrium, there's a particular thing called manubrium. You can see in the diagrammatic representation. So in the upper part you can see அப்படி ஹேங் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு பாருங்க, அதுதான் மெனுப்ரியம். இந்த மெனுப்ரியம் இருக்கிற காரணத்தால் மெடுசா இட் கேன் ஸ்விம்ஸ் ஃப்ரீலி இன் வாட்டர். ஓகே, ஸோ ஸ்விம்மிங் it can be done by means of contraction of muscles. Okay, so when we see the life cycle of this Obelia, it's a trimorphic colony. So already we have seen in the practicals. So இதுக்கு three kinds of zooids இருக்குது. The first type polyps or hydrant. So it's otherwise called as nutritive zooid ன்னு சொல்கிறோம். Then second one guanangia or blastostyles, that will be again called as budding zooids. And the third one is medusae, that's nothing but sexual zooids. So budding zooid அதுதான் வந்து blastostyle and medusae they are the sexual zooid. Polyp அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறது nutritive zooid. So keep it in mind, all these three zooids. So here this medusae are the sexual zooids, and when it is a fully matured one, it's released from the blastostyle, which is called as gonopore. So it leads a free swimming life. It contains gonads. Here sexes will be separate. Again, when we see about the fertilization and development, locomotion பார்த்துட்டோம், Then அதோட life cycle, what's the mode of reproduction we have seen already. And now we are going to see about the fertilization and development. Here பாருங்க Lobelia colony, you can see refer in the diagram. So from there polyp இருந்து through budding female medusa as well as male medusa are there. So during the sexual reproduction of female medusa, it releases egg. Likewise male medusa, it releases sperm. Both of them get united to form a zygote. Then it's going on cleavage, 2-celled stage, 4-celled stage, and then blastula. Then one intermediate form is there, that is called as free swimming planula larva. That's the larval form. It's called to be planula larva, but it's free swimming. Okay. Now the planula larva கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா settle ஆகுது and it becomes the young polyp. Now it's the developing polyp or nutritive zooid. In the developing polyp இருந்து தான் fully developed Lobelia colony வருது. So likewise this fertilization development, it's going on like a cycle. So அதனால தான் life cycle of Lobelia அப்படின்னு நம்ம பேர் கொடுத்துருக்குறோம். So once again, when I am repeating this fertilization and development, male medusa gives sperm, female medusa gives the egg. It releases the gametes in water and it will fuse together to form the fertilization, which results in a larval form that is called as planula larva, which is also free swimming. So free swimming இருக்கக்கூடிய planula larva திடீரென கீழே செட்டில் ஆகுது. செட்டில் ஆகும்போது it becomes the polyp. இந்த பாலிப்பை தான் நம்ம நியூட்ரிட்டிவ் ஜூவாய்டுன்னு சொல்கிறோம். அதிலிருந்து ஒரு காலனியாக வளருது, that is called as again Lobelia. ஓகே, அதுலேருந்து பட்டிங் வர்றது, again it's going on like the process. So ஒரு asexual reproduction, then it's going on with the sexual, again asexual, sexual, like it's going on. So it's called as alternation of generation. We can notice only in the life cycle of this Lobelia colony. Okay students, hope you have well enjoyed the session. Understand, read it well and go through it and study thoroughly. Thank you.